Using Google Ads to promote Shopify store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to use Google Ads to promote Shopify store. For that, follow these simple instructions. First things first, sign up at google.com, which would be ads.google.com, and then set up a merchant center. Whenever you will be at the Google, you have to, set up a merchant.google setup as well. You just have to go to this website and upload your product feed from Shopify. Now you just have to link Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. Now after that you have to create a campaign. Now Google Ads will create a campaign. You just have to tap on the plus, create new campaign, and then you just have to select sales or leads, totally depending upon your strategy, and choose shopping as well. Now you just have to define settings, set budget, bidding strategy, and target audience, and then organize products into ad groups. Simply optimize the listings according to your before launching and then launch it. Now set up and install conversions tracking as well, because you need to know that how conversions are made. And after that, just launch the products or launch it, launch the campaign, and then you have to monitor your performance, and then you can make changes according to your performance. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to use Google Ads to promote your Shopify store. Hope you guys find this video helpful.